Morpheus, to sleep but is to dream. Why is it when we need it most, our sleep departs? Why is it when the fabric of our daytime life is fraying at the edges and we need the rest, the freedom that comes with lying down and abandoning ourselves to sleep? Why is it become so elusive? It's as though unwittingly we close the door on our own wisdom. We neglect an essential part of what it is to be alive. An essential part because sleep is absolutely necessary. So we tend to borrow from our sleep bank. We think we can get another task done. That eternal to-do list, the stacks of files in our brains that keep us agitated and at a distance from ourselves, demand, nag, harass. We must turn away from those thoughts, emotions, and slip into that deep pool of rest, of healing, of cleansing and purification. So, lie down. Lie down in a place that's quiet, where you won't be disturbed. Preferably, make sure the place of rest is clear of daytime clutter, free of technology, free of distraction. Allow yourself to create darkness. Darkness is necessary for the brain to truly ease into the deep sleep, the restorative sleep that is fundamental to our health and well-being. Eliminate all light sources. Hide the phones, the radios, the televisions, the clock radios, with their little flashing lights and little notifications. If possible, unplug everything in the room. Make sure your bed is comfortable. And before you lie down, prepare yourself, cleansing your body, your face, your hands, and putting on comfortable clothing that is non-restrictive, soft, or if you wish, no clothing at all, just your skin. whatever coverings you have over you. Hopefully they are fine, soft and smooth. No snags or wrinkles. Then lying down, find a position that is comfortable. If there's an area of soreness or pain, attend to it. Pillow yourself or shift your position until all that bodily noise is kept to a minimum. Then give yourself permission. Give yourself permission to just tune into your breath. And notice, if you wish, what arises. Noticing at the nostrils or in the abdomen how the current of air caresses, making space on the inhalation and relaxing into the exhalation. In and out. Allowing your breath to caress every corner of your being. Allowing ease, peace. Accepting that this is where you need to be now. Now, drifting, shifting. As thoughts arise, consign them to the realm of dreams. Being aware that answers may manifest. Being aware that maybe there are no real answers. But as the concerns fade in and out, accepting that they are not going to be dealt with right now. Returning to your breath. To the rising and falling of your abdomen, to how you're being gentled, subtly rocked, held, floating on the bed and into the earth. our home. As thoughts arise, seeing them as clouds just floating across the vastness of the sky. Moving, propelled by your breath. Fading into the distance. Later. Emotions. Your brain hanging on. And yet slipping deeper. More and more. Not relevant. And the pleasure of ease. The relinquishing of the burden of the day.